Hello, dear students. Today we are going to define an interesting topic, which is a research problem. Obviously, the research is revolving around the problem, the identification of the problem, and the appropriate solution of that problem. And today we will try to learn the different attributes of research problem, how to select the research problem, and what is the necessity of defining the research problem. And also we'll be having a look around how are the different techniques involved in defining a problem. So basically a research problem is we can say it's a foundation of research, foundation of any research, any research. And it is again a clear, concise, and well defined statement, right? Or a question, basically a well defined statement or a question, very concise and clear, that identifies the issue or gap, that identifies issue or gap in the knowledge that the research aims to address. Correct? Research aims to address. That is what a research problem is. Now, next to the research problem, we have the important issue, which is selecting a problem. Selecting the problem or a problem. So, selecting a research problem, identifying an area of interest, which is very much important. Point number 1, area of interest within your field or related to your field of study. Area of interest within or around the field, field of study, your field of study. And further, narrowing it down to a specific issue or a question that needs to get investigated. So often researchers draw inspirational or researchers get inspiration from personal issues or personal interests or previous research or current societal problems. Based on those terms and conditions, a researcher selects a problem, or a researcher comes along a problem which needs to get addressed anyhow, and that takes a researcher to the inspiration level, or that draws the inspiration line, which helps in getting researcher motivated to investigate about the problem further. Then we have the important point, which is necessity of defining the problem. Necessity of defining the problem. In other words, what is the necessity of defining a problem? So defining the research problem is crucial because it sets the direction of the entire research process, and it also helps researchers focus their efforts or allocate resources effectively, and ensures that research contributes to existing knowledge or addresses a practical need. Correct? Existing knowledge or addresses a practical need. So that is the reason the problem should be defined and problem should be focused, so that we can use every resource effectively or ensures that research contributes to the existing knowledge base or addresses a practical need. Then further we can say, or we can discuss techniques or technique involved in defining a problem. So there are not much techniques through which you can define a problem, but defining a research problem typically involves a system approach or a systematic approach, which may include conducting a preliminary literature review, or brainstorming, or consulting the experts in the relevant field. So the goal is to clearly articulate the problem's scope and significance. That's what is the technique involved in defining a problem. Hope you have understood these simple topics. Further to this, we will discuss about the review of literature, the concept of review of literature. Thank you for being with me. See you in the another video. Till then, take care and goodbye.